Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on time and work problems, a crucial topic for competitive exams like SSC, banking, and UPSC. Mastering time and work is essential as most questions follow standard formulas, allowing for accurate solutions once core concepts are understood. This guide will explain formulas, concepts, shortcuts, and patterns to help you master every question type easily. The foundation of time and work lies in understanding how work and time depend on each other, forming the basis for all problem types. If a person completes a work in n days, their 1 day's work is simply 1/n, converting total days into daily efficiency. Conversely, if you know that 1 day's work is 1/n, then the total days required to finish the entire work is n. Efficiency represents how much work a person can do in a specific time, and it's inversely proportional to time. This means more efficiency leads to less time, while less efficiency requires more time to complete the same task. For example, if A is thrice as good as B, their efficiency ratio is 3:1, but their time ratio is the inverse, 1:3. When combining work, simply add their individual 1 day's work, then take the reciprocal to find the total days for combined effort. A powerful trick is the LCM method, where you assume total work as the least common multiple of the days taken by individuals. This converts daily efficiency into units per day, making calculations much simpler and preventing mistakes with fractions. Always convert days into 1 day's work first. For example, if A finishes in 12 days, their 1 day's work is January 12th. Identify the exact work that must be counted, whether working alone, together, or alternately, as work changes based on the scenario. Use efficiency instead of days for faster calculations, especially when people or groups work together. Focus on patterns rather than memorizing many formulas, as most questions follow repeated structures. Always double-check whether the given information refers to time or efficiency, and remember their inverse relationship to avoid common mistakes. Practicing typical exam patterns from various competitive tests will increase your familiarity and drastically reduce time per question. By applying these strategies, you'll be well equipped to tackle any time and work problem effectively in your competitive exams. Good luck!